How to fix your installation could not be started. Please try again. Error code BLZBNTAGT000002BF. This error appears when necessary installation data was not found on the game disk or in the Blizzard setup file. Follow the steps below to resolve the issue. If you are installing the game from a disk, remove the disk and insert it into the computer again. Alternatively, download a new installation file. If you receive this error while installing a game, delete the original setup file and download a new setup file from the above link. If you're using wireless internet, try switching to an optimized wired connection. If you are receiving this error when trying to install Diablo IV from the Game Pass, please try the steps below. Uninstall the Battle.net app from your system. Next, navigate to the Xbox software and attempt to install Diablo IV from there.